Hello all, welcome to Tech Vistas. In this video, let's understand the difference between concurrency and parallelism. So these concepts or these words we normally use interchangeably, thinking that they are almost similar or maybe same, right? But it is not true. Let's see what is concurrency. So when we suppose we have a uh, machine, right, which has just one core. So, but there are two tasks it want to execute. See, here, right, we have task one in the blue color and task two in the orange color, right? So now, in concurrency, right, the processor will not run these in parallel, but it will do something like it will run a task one for some time till T2, then it will abandon that task or stop that task for some time and pick up the task 2, right? Till P3, right? So this is how the processor will switch the context between these two tasks. So uh, it will appear that both tasks are running in parallel, right? Because both are progressing, but it is in a very fast manner, processor is going to switch between these tasks when they not run in parallel, right? So that is the whole concept of concurrency. So uh, concurrency is the ability of a system to handle multiple tasks at the same time by managing the execution of these tasks. So tasks are not run parallel, but all are being progressed by switching the context between them. While in parallelism, what happens that both tasks are running in parallel because maybe in this case the machine has two cores, so it can run both tasks simultaneously. So now in parallelism, we understand that tasks can run in parallel. When concurrency, tasks appear to run in parallel, but they are not. The processor switches the context in between so that all are being progressed together, but not run together, right? So let's understand this concept by an example. Let's see that maybe we have a restaurant which has just only one chef and he has to prepare three dishes, right? So now in the world of concurrency, what he will do, he will devote some time for the dish one, and then it will he will stop that processing of the first dish and start on the second dish, right? And then after cooking it for some time, then he will start on the third dish, right? So now what is happening that all three dishes are in progress, but not together. So chef is switching the cooking of dishes uh, slowly, and so that both all the dishes are basically prepared in parallel. That's is concurrency, right? But when we talk about the parallelism, right? In parallelism, what happens that we can see here, this restaurant has three chefs and they have to prepare three dishes, right? Same dishes. Now, because we have three chefs, so all dishes can be prepared in parallel, right? So now you can understand that how concurrency and parallelism work in the nutshell, right? Right. In concurrency, in this example, chef has to basically execute all the cooking for all these dishes, but not at same time. He's switching the dishes preparation and then progressing them together, right? But in parallelism, what is happening that we have dedicated chef for each dish, and all are being prepared in parallel. I hope it is clear. So sometimes we feel that okay, parallelism and concurrency are two different concepts. Yeah, I mean there is definitely a difference, but whenever a task is parallel, right, it can be concurrent as well. But vice versa may not be true, right? And to understand this, the concurrent process in a better manner, think of blue and orange as two tasks, and see how the time slice is given by processor to the each task, and both are progress in such that there is a feeling okay that they are in parallel, but they are not. And in the same time, for the parallel tasks, both blue and orange tasks are executed at same time, so that they complete maybe in parallel, right? So this is the very basic concept about these two terms which we normally use. I hope it is clear. But if you have some specific questions, or you want like more detailed video, because nobody watches the very big videos, so I'm trying to basically compress the whole concept in very small video, so that we are able to capture the essence of the concept. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Please leave comments or questions. Please subscribe as well. Thank you very much.